Today, I'm breaking down Robinhood crypto fees in 2025 because while Robinhood says it has no commission fees, there's more to the story. Let's get into what you actually pay when buying or selling crypto inside the app. Robinhood advertises zero commission fees, meaning they don't charge a flat transaction fee like some other platforms. But instead, they earn through something called a spread, the difference between the buy and sell price of a coin. So if Bitcoin is trading at $60,000, Robinhood might show it at $60,300 when you buy. That extra $300, that's the hidden fee. This is not shown as a line item, but it's built into the price. As of 2025, Robinhood lets you send and receive crypto unlike before, but network fees now apply. These are blockchain fees not charged by Robinhood directly but still taken out during transactions. They vary by coin and network activity, especially for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So to keep fees low, watch the spread before buying. Avoid small transfers where network fees take a bigger cut. So while Robinhood isn't lying about zero commissions, always factor in the spread and transfer costs before trading.